Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to service your Fiat 500. First, gather your tools, including a wrench, an oil filter remover, and the correct type of new oil. Next, safely lift your vehicle using a jack and secure it with jack stands. Locate the drain plug, remove it, and allow the old engine oil to completely drain into a waste oil container. Once drained, replace the drain plug, then remove and replace the old oil filter with a new one. Finally, refill the engine with approximately 4.0 quarts of 5W30 oil, checking the dipstick to ensure the correct level. Next, let's tackle the air filters. The engine air filter is usually found under the hood. You'll need to unclip or unscrew the housing, remove the old filter, and insert a new one, ensuring it fits snugly before resecuring the cover. For the cabin air filter, it's typically located behind the glove box or in the passenger footwell. Remove the necessary panels, extract the old filter, and install the new one, paying attention to the airflow direction arrow. It's recommended to replace this filter every 15,000 miles for optimal air quality. Now let's move to spark plugs and brakes. Inspect your spark plugs for wear. Standard copper core plugs may need replacement as often as 20,000 miles, while iridium plugs last longer. For your brakes, visually check the pads and rotors for wear. If the pads are thin or the rotors show deep grooves, it's time for replacement. Also, verify that your brake fluid reservoir is at the proper level and that the fluid appears clean. Contaminated or low brake fluid can compromise your braking system's performance. Finally, let's talk about tire rotation and fluid checks. Rotating your tires every 6,000 miles helps ensure even wear, extending their lifespan and maintaining a smooth ride. Be sure to follow the correct rotation pattern for your specific tires, whether they are directional or non-directional. Regularly check all other fluid levels, including coolant, power steering fluid, and windshield washer fluid, topping them up as needed. Keeping these levels correct is crucial for your Fiat 500's overall health and performance. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.